Tell them to go. Look at the chickens I'm keeping. On my first 4, 3 of my second batch, and 2 of my third batch. Gold is the golden one. That's Becky. That's Autumn. That's Shadow. Right down here is little Ebony. Yeah, little Ebony. Checkers. And then back there, the black one, all black one. That looks a little bit like Ebony. That's Raven. And then it's Red. He's a rooster. And then it's Dusky, who's a tiny rooster that's the same age as them. Which I'm gonna try to get him a mate. It's 9 that I'm keeping out of all 14. Well, all, not 14, 12. Yeah, 9 I'm keeping out of all 12. I might get one more, so Dusky has a little mate. But the others I'm not keeping because they're roosters. And I'm not keeping more than 2 roosters. That would be like a big no-no. Let me enter. Hi, Shadow. Hi, Goldie. Hi, Autumn. Hi, Becky. Hi. Hi. Little Ebony. Hi, Checkers. And hi, Raven. And I see little Dusky behind you. And I see red too. Da 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 da. And I see a little Ebony with Autumn. And I see a little Ebony with Autumn. And Checkers now. Ebony's with Checkers. And now Gold is coming over. And looking at the